Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove an account from your Google Authenticator app, quick and easy. This is helpful if you disable 2FA or just no longer need it on your list. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully so you don't lose access to anything important. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Press and hold on any of the codes until a check mark or selection screen appears. Now, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Select the account you want to delete, then tap the trash bin icon at the top. A warning will pop up. If you're sure, go ahead and tap remove. Tap the check mark or done to finish. And that's it. The account is now removed from your Authenticator app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.